Well, hi everybody, welcome back. A while back I did a video on this particular hammock. This is from the good folks at Edeuoey. They sent this out and asked me to do a video on it for them. The reason's here today is we've got another product. And we're going to be doing this table from Edeuoey. And I wanted to have the hammock here because I'm going to use it in a demonstration a little later on. Anyhow, let's have a look at this. This is the Edeuoey table. It is all aluminum. Now this table you're seeing down here is not the Edeuoey one. This table right here is a table I've been using for years, and it's not a bad table. It's a nice table, but as you can see, it's made of cloth. And the fabric is not real conducive to putting a drink on here, or if I wanted to put a cooking stove on here or something. I wouldn't want to be trying it on this thing. It's a little bit concerning whenever I do. But let's get this out and let's have a look at it. Now this is the legs on this thing, and they're kind of accordion together. And you want to flip this over, you spread it out just enough to get that to go in its place. Now if you look here, you will see there's a hole in it. The corresponding plastic locator has a pin sticking up. You want that hole to match that pin. Here's the top. These are all aluminum. This particular one is blue. They do come in a number of colors. Black, blue, silver, brown. I think there might be a red one in there. My wife thought this was the blue. Now here's really something really cool. We all know how much fun it is to peel this kind of stuff off. And you get 6 of these to peel it off of. I'll do that a little later, but it's just kind of an added bonus. Underside here you can see it's held together with a bungee cord type thing. You can see we can spread apart. So should the bungee cord ever fail on you, you just pop another one in. It's not very hard to do that. There are grommets here that keep it from cutting. And if you look, you'll see these 2 little ribs. Now on the top of this here, you're going to see 4 little areas where you can pop these things in. What you're going to do, and I'm going to do this upside down so you can see it. Pop them in there. Pop them in there. And there you go. Let's get this one out of the way because we don't need this one anymore. It does set a little bit lower than that, than the other one, and that's fine. Let's actually get some measurements here. We're looking at just shy of 16 inches across, and we're looking at 13.5 inches there. Ground to here is another 13 inches. Now this thing weighs in it, and I got my cheat sheet here. This thing weighs in at 1.66 pounds or 755 grams. It has a weight limit of 55 pounds. That's pretty sturdy weight limit. You can't use this as a seat, so don't be sitting on it. Don't let the kids sit on it. But it does have a weight limit of 55 pounds. Price on this thing, they start at $22.99, and right now as I do this video, there is a 10% coupon. Cut some of that price out. So you can get one of these for a black one. As a matter of fact, it's the one that's the lowest priced one. But you can get a black one for 20 bucks. Can't beat that. This one here was $29.99, and it has a 10% discount on it. How long that's going to last? Can't say. Well, as you can see, it's perfect for this chair. Matches it nice. I've got it set up for the coffee thing. I would never try this with the other one. This thing is pretty sturdy. Look at this thing. Very sturdy there. I would not try this at all with that other table I had. Don't get me wrong, I like the other table, but this thing is just far superior to it. As you can see, making breakfast or a cup of coffee from the hammock. Piece of cake with this thing down there. Gonna love this thing. Okay, let's break this thing down. All you do, quickly pull it apart. like an accordion, just fold it up. Take the straps here, roll it around it. Now before I put this in here, let me show you something about this bag. This bag has separate compartments, one on each side for each piece of the table. So let's get this side here in. So in here, just undo the two cross straps. You get yourself an accordion type thing there too. Fold it back down. Find the empty side. And drop it in. Pretty simple. My thoughts on this. I like it. It's a nice table. It's sturdy. It's level, which beats the table I've been using, and I can actually use it for something. The size of the other table is a little larger than this, but it's also a little heavier than this. The size isn't going to do any good if you can't use the darn thing. But I can use this perfectly from the hammock, from the chair. It's great. Sitting where I am right now, you can see that if I wanted to sit here and cook something, I could sit here and just cook right on this. That's pretty nice. I couldn't do that with the other one. I had to find another location to do my cooking, but I can cook on this. This is just fine. It's lightweight. 1.66 pounds is pretty light for a table. So you guys out there backpacking, this might be an option for you, and an inexpensive option. Generally, when you're getting something that's light, you guys know, it costs a lot of money. I mean, we're talking hundreds of dollars sometimes for some lightweight items that you can usually buy for a tenth of those prices if you don't mind carrying a little extra. This is not that much heavier than some of those real lightweight ones would be. I would say that you save the cash. This is a dandy option for you. A very good option. Plus, at 20 bucks for the black one, and then of course you can move up onto higher prices if you want to get some of the fancier ones, but starting at $20 for the black one, you're not going to find anything like that out there on any of these tables. If you're looking for a table and you're just going to use it for camping and what have you, go for that. Spend the 20 bucks. You've got a table that's going to do the job and it's going to last for a while. Now, yeah, granted, I've got this table here and it does cost a little bit more for this one, but hey, you know, they asked me what color I wanted. And the wife said she wanted blue, so we got blue. But if I had to go pay for it, I would probably would have bought the other one. But I do like this. I do like the nice blue on it. As a matter of fact, matches this hammock real nice. This is going to get some use not only out camping, it'll get use here. I'll set this up in the next to the hammock here when I come out here in the afternoon sometimes. Bring a radio with it, bring my beer, a drink, whatever. This is going to be very nice. I'm going to enjoy this one. Anyways, I want to thank the guys, Eric and his crew at Edeuoey. I want to thank them for sending this to me. Hopefully we'll have some other items from them to show you people. What I'm going to do is down below in the comments area, I'll leave a link to these tables, but I'm also going to leave a link to their storefront at Amazon. They've got a number of items that are available for very good prices. So you might want to go look through there and see what you can see. Anyhow, thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you next time.